everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna actually be changing a lot of things around in the living room. Right now I'm just moving everything out of the way and cleaning because I'm going to be rearranging the TV and the couch a couple of times. I might get a little annoying, but I'll figure it out. And please people, don't come for me with my Christmas pants. Yeah, because I'm about that life, you know, mom life. Purchased that rug from Target. I thought it would look nice with the couch. Two different kind of grays. I don't know, I just like that gray theme. I also got the gray curtains from Marshall's. The white ones, they were just old curtains that I put them on. I'm pretty sure I got them from Marshall's too. And these frames from Marshall's as well. I love those frames. Just put them up as a collage, and also the heart and the little thing with the horns over there, I got that from Target. And the lights, I got that from Ross. This is how it looks when I put it up. Yes, and the tree is still up there. Please do not judge me. I'm giving you a warning. That's me. I'm a little bit lazy when it comes to taking down the tree, so it might be there until next Christmas. And thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments. Other than that, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.